Welcome, welcome. I'm David Starlyte, and this will be a series of meditations where I'll discuss some philosophy, give you some elaboration and explanation to connect you to what is the source of this material, and then we will do some guided meditation, some practice. So, welcome everyone, and I'm excited to be here today. This is a progression, and so I would like to be doing meditations every week. Please let me know in the comments and subscribe below for updates. Just by way of introduction and some background, because we get caught up in the world around us, all of us, things to do, we have so many details in our minds, our brains are just flooded with data in the world, from media, from work, from the people we know, friends, family, etc., etc. So obviously having a practice that connects us to ourselves is really important. A practice that connects us to what is real, so we can see the illusions for what they are, and help us see through the illusions, see beyond them into what is actually real for us and what is happening in the world. Ultimately, we are spiritual beings having a human experience. I'm sure you've heard this before, but we keep forgetting. Every day I have a list of things and I forget, hold on, this isn't so real. This isn't so real at all. So by all means, be productive, have a to-do list, be practical, get things done, but don't get too invested in it. Don't get too caught up in it. And that's the importance of having a spiritual practice that connects you to yourself and just helps you to realize that all of that stuff on the outside is moving, is happening. It's just impermanent, and it may not be ultimately emptiness. However, there's not going to be much long-term gain in most of these things you're doing. Of course, as human beings, we have the power, the ability to leave a legacy, and that's a beautiful, wonderful thing. So we can contribute to the world and contribute to civilization and leave a lasting effect. So I just wanted to put that all into context, that we're having a temporary experience, and all these attachments that we have, addictions, fixations, wants, needs, desires, are part of being human. It's important to have a spiritual practice that will root us to something permanent, real, and fulfilling. Also to see clearly what is real, what is actually real, what is counterfeit, what are the false gods and illusions that we're following. A word about attachments. Attachments are both necessary and hard to avoid, and it's helpful to observe what creates tension in the mind, because that's a sure sign that there's an attachment there. Our practice today involves watching the mind and seeing what is actually there, just creating a practice of stillness where we can watch and see, observe. And this will help us gain awareness and clarity. It will help us to see. Ultimately, when we become truly present with ourselves, we become masters. A peaceful mind has the power to create a peaceful world. True freedom is loving unconditionally. Yet always we are the ones that must take responsibility for our own connection. It's up to us to connect, to take this time, what we're doing now, to take care of ourselves, to nurture our minds like you would a fertile garden. Our practice today is about using our individual responsibility to construct our mind, to create a fertile garden in our mind with awareness, calmness, and wisdom to love unconditionally and to become aware that we are responsible for the state of our minds. We are responsible for the state of our hearts. So thank you very much everyone for participating today. And to begin with, finding a comfortable position. I'm sitting in a chair, focusing first on my body. How is my body feeling? So I'm getting really comfortable in the chair with my core muscles switched on. So my back is straight. So really important to have your back straight, but also relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the arms. You may have a mudra, so I recommend a mudra like that. You may have other mudras that work for you. Whatever is comfortable at this stage, that's the most important part of our practice. So number one, getting comfortable in our position, getting our body comfortable, and then we're ready to begin. So together now, closing your eyes and tuning in, going within, seeing your body. I just want, for the beginning part of this practice, to focus on the body, focus on scanning the whole body, seeing what is there, seeing what you can tune into, becoming present with yourself, and just asking simple questions. How is my body feeling? Am I holding any tension in my body? Where am I holding tension in my body? Can you feel the places where you're holding tension? So using your inner vision to scan your body and just raise the question, see what you find. I have my feet connected to the ground, which is comfortable for me. And I'm feeling tension in the lower back, the neck and shoulder region. And I'm asking myself, what is the source of this tension? And together, let's breathe into the tension and the source of our tension. Let's breathe into that. And see if with gently breathing you can gradually start to release that tension now. See if just with your conscious awareness and depth of practice, depth of presence, you may start to ease and relax that tension away. Finding yourself going a little bit deeper within, a little bit more relaxed. Expanding a sense of gentle energy, effortless practice, and yet still positioning yourself with straight back, feet connected to the ground, arms relaxed. You're going a little bit deeper with your practice, using your breath to deepen. And now focusing on the point of tension or points of tension with your out breath. Letting go of tension. Breathing out, relaxing. And different parts of you may be holding stress and tension. So often we hold tension in our face, our facial muscles, our eyebrows, cheeks, our jaws, jaw muscles. Different parts of our facial muscles where we're holding tension. Often our eyes have a lot of tension. And We work our eyes very hard with screens, with computers and phones and other devices. It's important just to relax the eyes, relax the eyelids, relax the eye sockets, and see if you can ease the tension from your whole eye area and face area. Deepening your breath. With the out breath, just imagine this tension flowing out of your face, tension flowing out of your body. Deepening the breath. With your out breath, letting go of tension. Moving to another area of tension in your body. Perhaps your neck and shoulders, seeing if you can release the tension with your breathing, with your breath. Feeling more and more relaxed. And as you breathe in, I invite you to imagine the whole room filled with white light, which purifies your energy field, purifies your energy. And as you breathe in, I invite you to breathe in this white light energy. Fill yourself up with this pure white light energy. And as you breathe out, letting go of tension, letting go of stress, letting go of worries. Simply breathing in this pure white light and breathing out thoughts, conflicts, particularly thoughts that interrupt your flow, egoic thoughts. We get caught up in our egos, thoughts about ourselves, selfishness, desires, attachments. Breathing this out, letting it go, and filling ourselves up with this beautiful white light energy, this beautiful golden white light. And as you breathe in, smiling to yourself. As we breathe in this white light, expanding our inner smile, our feeling of joy and happiness and gratitude. The more gratitude we have, the more happiness in our lives. So keep energizing and expanding gratitude while breathing in this pure white light. And keeping yourself connected to your feet, to the ground. Enjoying being in your body in the state of joy, of relaxation. Breathing in deeply. Enjoying being present with ourselves. And to finish off this quick practice today, we're taking in 3 deep breaths into the belly. And stretching your arms up high, doing a stretch, connecting your feet into the earth, into the ground, just moving your body around, awakening yourself, and rubbing your hands together, rubbing your face, your whole head, the back of your neck, giving yourself a good energizing massage, bringing all the positive energy of your practice into your life, into your day. You can always use this as a resource for your life, for yourself. This is like the inner reservoir that we build, the inner bank accounts that we develop. So keeping massaging your face, your eyes, the back of your head, the back of your neck, your ears, your jaw. I'm going to open my eyes now, bringing an end to this meditation. I'm David Starlyte, and I'm happy to bring you this meditation today. I wish you peace. Namaste.